This is NAB Show Live.
I'm Ryan Salazar, and today we have Chris Smith, SVP of Product at Zype. How you doing, Chris?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Thanks so much for being with us. We love to talk new technologies, and you guys are a little new to NAB Show, right?
We've been coming to NAB for the last 2 years, but
Okay.
I guess relatively speaking, definitely new on the block, I guess.
Excellent. So let's talk about what Zype does.
Awesome. So Zype empowers video operations teams to build amazing video streaming products and help them distribute video across the web, mobile, connected TV, social media, and syndication partners. At the kind of core of it, we provide really robust cloud-based video content management and distribution infrastructure. That includes support for everything from content ingestion, transcoding, and storage, robust on-demand and live streaming, a full range of monetization support that includes SVOD, TVOD, and AVOD, support for content distribution and syndication. We provide business and video engagement analytics, and a lot of really awesome workflow automation solutions for video teams, including integrations with many popular SaaS applications. Zype was founded in 2014, and we're headquartered here in New York City.
Great, and you mentioned monetization. That's a big deal in our industry right now in the digital era that we're in. Any new exciting product offerings to showcase at NAB?
Yeah, absolutely. Something we're really excited to announce is the launch of a service called Zype Playout. Zype Playout is a solution to help video teams build, publish, and distribute IP-delivered linear live streams to everywhere from their owned and operated streaming services, as well as popular streaming destinations like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and vMVPDs. With Zype Playout, customers are able to quickly build and launch linear live streams using content they already have. We're providing simple tools and workflows for managing everything from broadcast programming to configuring their streaming destinations, scheduling channels for broadcasts, ad slate and timing management, and of course, generating the linear live streams. In the background, we're handling the really complex processes like normalizing the video bit rates and renditions, doing the video stitching, the ad marker generation, and powering the underlying distribution infrastructure. So, at the end of the day, all the customer really needs to focus on is how to make really good programming decisions. And I think Zype Playout's reflective of our overall focus on, how do we provide customers with solutions to increase video engagement and therefore help them grow their revenues through different monetization approaches. I think linear live broadcasting, the supply chain there can be really complex and daunting for customers, and we're trying to reduce complexity in that supply chain and help them really just focus on how do I grow my bottom line, how do I increase viewer engagement and my audience.
All right, that's excellent. So any trends for 2019 in the video industry?
Yeah, I think there's going to be a lot to look out for. I'm personally really excited to watch for increased growth around the direct-to-consumer streaming model. I think we're seeing, this kind of secular moment in time, we're seeing a lot of inflection in the marketplace in terms of customers and prospects bringing more direct-to-consumer streaming products to the market. I believe that we're going to continue to see massive growth here for at least the next couple of years, especially as software and infrastructure is making it easier for these content owners to build and launch their own streaming services with all of the flexible monetization options out there. I think it's going to be interesting to watch what happens with more vertical or niche-based streaming products as they come to market. I don't think there's anything pejorative about being niche or focused. I think I love the idea of giving consumers more options to subscribe or consume exactly the type of content that they want to. I'm a streaming consumer. I'm a cord cutter unabashedly, so I like having these options myself. I do think, a challenge that we're going to see is with this increase in content options, how will the major OTT marketplaces address the discovery challenge? I think that's a fundamental one. As consumers have all of these different options, what are the navigation, the UX, and marketplace kind of discovery solutions that they're going to bring to market to help make sure that audiences can get the content that they want and access it in the right ways and so on and so forth. So I think it's super exciting. I love, kind of working in video at this time in the market, and I'm quite excited to see what happens over the next few years.
All right, now to the serious stuff. When I go to Vegas, I always try to hit something cool. Love Hoover Dam.
Yep.
Believe it or not, I've not been to Old Las Vegas yet, Fremont Street. I can't believe it. I've been doing NAB for 9 years now.
Yep.
And with my involvement, you'd think I'd be checking out all those cool parts of town. Last year we had an event at Tao. We've done some stuff at Lotus of Siam. So when you're in Vegas, do you guys have a cool place you like to hang out?
I mean, we usually stay at the Aria. I love, the Aria is a really cool place. I'm personally, like a selfish side trip that I'm planning to make this year is I'm going to check out the Neon Museum in Vegas. I guess it's, where all of the old signs are, and it should be really interesting to see. So I'm super excited for NAB this year. I can't wait for the conference. It should be a fun time.
Excellent. Actually, I'm going to be at the Aria. I'm moderating a bunch of panels for Avid Technology. They asked me to run a bunch of panels on broadcast. I thought it was really exciting to do that, so I can't pass that opportunity up. South Upper 11312, that's SU 11312. Chris Smith, SVP of Product Development at Zype. We'll see you in Las Vegas.
Awesome. Can't wait.